Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, get ready to be astounded as we delve into the world of aloe vera and uncover 10 incredible home remedies with aloe vera gel that will leave you absolutely astonished. Aloe vera, often referred to as the plant of immortality, has been revered for centuries for its miraculous healing properties, and we're about to unlock its full potential. So, if you're eager to explore the wonders of aloe vera, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on health and wellness. Now, let's embark on this extraordinary journey together. Number 1. The power of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, the translucent gem within the succulent leaves, is a true powerhouse of nutrients. Enriched with an array of vitamins A, C, E, B12, minerals, calcium, magnesium, zinc, enzymes, amino acids, and polysaccharides, it stands as nature's gift to humanity. Its versatility in addressing various skin and health concerns has earned it a well-deserved reputation as the plant of immortality. Today, we'll delve deep into its vast potential and reveal how it can transform your well-being in ways you never imagined. Number 2. Soothing sunburns and skin irritations. Say goodbye to the discomfort of sunburns and skin irritations with the miraculous soothing power of aloe vera gel. Its anti-inflammatory and cooling properties are a game changer for your skin. Follow along as I demonstrate the proper application technique to instantly relieve pain, reduce redness, and expedite the healing process. The cooling sensation of aloe vera will leave you refreshed and revitalized, and you won't believe how quickly it works its magic. Number 3. Aloe vera hair mask for gorgeous locks. Transform your hair into a crown of glory with the nourishing aloe vera hair mask. No more struggling with dry, damaged, or dandruff-prone hair. Aloe vera is the secret to your hair care dreams. Join me as we create a revitalizing hair mask enriched with aloe vera, promoting hair growth, repairing damaged strands, and leaving your locks glossy and fabulous. Say hello to luscious, healthy hair that will turn heads wherever you go. Number 4. Aloe vera face mask for glowing skin. Why spend a fortune on chemical-laden skincare products when you have the all-natural brilliance of aloe vera? Our Aloe Vera face mask is a revelation for radiant, youthful skin. Watch in awe as aloe vera nourishes your skin from within, tightens pores, reduces acne, and fades blemishes, all while giving you that ethereal glow you've always desired. With this face mask, your skin will thank you every single day. Number 5. Aloe vera for acne and blemish control. Struggling with acne and pesky blemishes? Let aloe vera be your ultimate savior. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties combat acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation, leading to clearer, healthier skin. Tune in as I share a simple, yet effective skincare routine incorporating aloe vera gel, and you'll witness the transformation yourself. Get ready to say goodbye to acne woes and hello to flawless skin. Number 6. Aloe vera for digestive health. Let's focus on the inside-out magic of aloe vera. Prepare to experience the wonders of aloe vera juice as it revitalizes your digestive system. Watch as we create a soothing concoction that aids digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and supports a healthy gut. Trust me, this digestive remedy will leave you feeling rejuvenated and balanced from the inside out. Say hello to a happy, healthy digestive system. Number 7. Healing wounds and cuts with aloe vera. Aloe vera's healing prowess extends to minor wounds and cuts. Learn how to create a potent aloe vera salve that helps cleanse, soothe, and accelerate the healing process. Whether it's a scrape, a minor burn, or a paper cut, aloe vera gel will come to your rescue and leave you impressed with its rapid results. Say goodbye to those minor wounds holding you back. Number 8. Aloe vera for weight loss. Surprise, surprise! Aloe vera can be your silent ally in your weight loss journey. Witness the magic as it aids detoxification, boosts metabolism, and assists your body in burning fat more efficiently. I'll guide you through creating aloe vera infused water and smoothies that will set you on the path to a healthier, slimmer you. Embrace the power of aloe vera to reach your weight loss goals. Number 9. Aloe vera for oral health. Who knew aloe vera could work wonders for your oral health too? From reducing gum inflammation to fighting bad breath, aloe vera is your natural dental superhero. Discover amazing home remedies that harness the power of aloe vera to maintain a sparkling smile and excellent oral hygiene. Say hello to a confident, dazzling smile that lights up every room. Number 10. Aloe vera for relaxation and stress relief. In this hectic world, finding relaxation is essential for overall well-being. Let aloe vera be your tranquility potion. I'll walk you through creating a refreshing aloe vera infused bath soak that will melt away stress and soothe your senses. Plus, we'll craft a luxurious stress relief lotion that will leave you feeling pampered and stress-free. This is self-care at its finest, and you deserve every moment of it. Conclusion. Congratulations on joining us in this extraordinary journey exploring the hidden wonders of aloe vera gel. Its versatility and effectiveness in addressing various health and beauty concerns are genuinely awe-inspiring. I encourage you to try these remedies and share your experiences with us in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And, of course, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening adventure, and until next time, stay healthy, stay beautiful, and take care. Goodbye, everyone. Remember to embrace the magic of aloe vera and stay tuned for more empowering content to enhance your well-being. See you in the next video.